Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP LaserJet MFP M29w series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one. And into Google, you want to search for HP LaserJet MFP M29w printer. Go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back with an HP support page that says HP LaserJet Pro MFP M29w printer. Open that up. And now underneath the support category, select software and drivers. And now they're on this page underneath the driver product installation software section. There should be different items in here. You want to select the item that says HP LaserJet Pro MFP M28w, M29w, M30w, M31w printer full software solution. Go ahead and select the download button for that. And then just give that a moment to begin. And then once it's done downloading, go ahead and open up that file to run it or extract it. And then you can close out of the web browser too at this time. And it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes. And then just follow through with the on-screen wizard here of getting it configured for your device. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.